Today, we're out at Utah's famous Bonneville Salt Flats, a vast, otherworldly landscape. It's where land speed records are set, and today, it's our testing ground. We're here to put the Magnuson Supercharger to the test. Will it beat a re-geared Tacoma on 35s? Is it worth the hype? Could it be your next mod? Let's find out. Alright, this is my 2013 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Some 35-inch tires. And so in order to spin these tires around, we re-geared it with the Nitro 4.88 gearing. What? Tell us about your rig.
So we got a 2018 Toyota 4Runner, TRD Off-Road. As far as modifications, we have the Supercharger Magnuson and the SMB air intake. And so we'll put it up against the Tacoma, see what happens.
Oh yeah!
Cade, tell me a little bit about this rig, dude.
You know, just stock rig on 33s.
There you go.
Out here.
I like your fenders.
Thanks. Custom.
Custom made, baby. Okay, this is the T100. It's got the locking hubs. Who knows? Maybe this will take all the cake. And here we got the flag girl. It's so weird. Someone just left these cones on the side of the street. It's perfect for what we're trying to do today. Here's the second one. Here's the old girl. Purring. Guess what, boys? We're racing for pink slips.
Pink slips, baby.
Pink slips. All right, Cade. What do you have to say?
You better be fast, dude. You better be fast.
All right, let's see if the Supercharger is worth the cash.
So I need new tires.
Okay. So we're gonna do two races. The first is gonna be in 2 high because this hardly has any traction.
Huh?
And then the second race is gonna be in 4 high. We'll see who takes the cake.
The best truck win.
Who do you got your money on, Aspen?
I think the T100.
Hey.
The T100.
Okay, we got one vote for the
Posted up
T100.
on the T100.
Carmen, what do you got?
The 4Runner.
Okay, so I guess no one's going for the Tacoma.
No one's going with this.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Cool vote for you.
Okay. Yeah, we'll flag him down. What happened in the first race, man?
Just did the 2-3 shift and I just lost all momentum. Just
Dang.
couldn't keep up anymore and it's too late to downshift.
Yeah, it was crazy because I thought for sure I had lost. And Cade and Hunter were neck and neck. And then out of nowhere, Cade started slowing down.
Yeah.
And then I got second place and Hunt took the cake in that one.
I thought I was gonna pass Hunt. I was gaining on him. And then you started coming up. I'm like, man, it's a bummer.
I got the dub. I don't know about that Supercharger, at least in the Salt Flats. It's pretty deep today, but I mean, today it has not been representing. So Hunter took the cake in 2. I took the cake in 4.
If it wasn't on film, it didn't happen.
Hey, we got it on
If
film.
it wasn't on film, it didn't happen.
We did have it on film, it's just not on the drone. Not on the drone. So this time, we're gonna do a rematch. Hunter's gonna do it manually, and I'm just gonna stay in normal 4 high. And then we got Cole over here. He's gonna be ripping the dirt bike to show you what true Yamaha power is. What do you gotta say, Cole?
Let's get her done.
Winner.
Suckers! My tires are just so knobby. I think that's the biggest reason why I'm cooking that supercharger. Alright guys, that was the test here at the Salt Flats. Hunt, what happened, dude?
I need some grippier tires. And new air intake.
With the supercharger, without it being re-geared, it's really searching for those gears. Hunt, when he was in it, he says that it's really good in first gear, and then second, third, it just doesn't know where to go, especially in this deep stuff.
Guys, there's no power.
Yeah, so I think the biggest thing with the Tacoma is just these really knobby tires, the re-gear. We cannot finish this video without saying who the ultimate champ was, and that is the Yamaha YZ450F.
We had a little bit of a hairy start, but it all ended good for us.
Yeah. This was our first YouTube video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for your patience. We're not very good on camera, but the boys like to have a good time. So subscribe.
We'll get it done.
Yes, sir.